TypeScript is a structural type system. It is a structural type programming language, meaning that if, for instance, we have the class person with two variables and the class student with the very same two variables as well as another variable for holding the average. As you can see, if I have a variable that its type is person, there shouldn't be any problem to assign that variable with a reference for an object that was instantiated from student. Indirectly, we can see that the TypeScript compiler understands that student is a subtype of person. Underneath, the compiler understands that it is possible to treat each and every object instantiated from the class student as if it was a person object, because the two variables over here that were defined in person are also defined in class student. Now, it is enough if we have difference in the name, and it won't work. As you can see now, I get an error message. It would be enough having a function, let's say details, defined in class person. Because we don't have this function defined in student, we won't be able to treat an object instantiated from the class student as a person. But if we define the function over here in student, then there won't be any problem. Now we can treat an object instantiated from student as if it was a person object. So indirectly, according to the structure of the object, the compiler understands which type is a subtype of another type. Now, we can, if we want to specify that student extends person, and if we do it, then the compilation error we have now, because details is not defined in student, will disappear. It's just about specifying that student extends person, and the TypeScript compiler understands the inheritance connection, and it allows this assignment to take place. So, based on the structure of the object, getting to understand which type is a subtype of another type, this way of working is known as a structural type system. In programming languages such as C++, Java, C#, we have another system, the nominative system, in which we must specify exactly which type is a subtype of another